Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know if you can see that, but it's snow. So I'm saying, forget the snow. We're going down to Disney. See you there. Hey guys, so just want to give you an update. Making our way down to Disney. We're somewhere in Virginia right now. Had to stop. Let's see how many stops it's gonna take before we make it to Disney. So this is gonna be stop number 1. All right guys, so this is stop number 2 already. We are, I think, on stop number 3 right now. So 3. Hey guys, so we are on stop number 4. Alright guys, back here, Animal Kingdom. Escape the blizzard of 2026. What you got there? Say the carrot cake.
A carrot cake.
Sundae.
Sundae.
Ready?
Ready.
Alright.
What'd that do?
Make it stand up.
I got a carrot cake on Monday.
Sundae.
Sunday.
No, it's called a carrot cake.
Carrot cake.
Sundae.
Sunday.
For the annual pass.
Angle pass.
Alright, let's eat it.
Everybody, hi, we're ready to eat it now. We're at Disney World. We'll show you all around.
Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom, Disney World.
Yeah, we are at Disney World.
Then let's eat it.
Alright, you gonna eat it? Ooh. Go ahead, take a bite.
I'm gonna go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Get a piece for me.
Alright, I'll get a piece.
Get a piece for me.
There you go. Oh my goodness.
That's good.
Here. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
Brent, if you're going to
Milo, what do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Okay. Everybody, come to Disney World if you want to eat it. Everybody, this is good, Daddy.
Alright, what do you want to say? Go ahead.
Everybody, this cake is delicious. Bye.
Bye. Where are we going?
Zootopia.
Zootopia. Alright, tell the people we'll see you later.
See you later.
You gotta turn around. Say see you later.
See you later.
Alright, we'll see you later.
See you later.
Jeez. What'd you think of Zootopia?
Good.
Thumbs up?
Good.
You liked it?
I did it.
What? You didn't? You
But
wanna do it again?
Guess what? I like you like it. That's all.
Come on.
Mommy.
You get your popcorn?
Yeah! Yeah!
What do you think?
Good.
You?
Mommy, good.
Alrighty, let's go.
I got Rapunzel. So we're getting something to eat.
That's what we're getting. Alright, so we're getting the beef and shrimp, and we're getting the cheeseburger pods, and they're getting the kids meal.
Yeah. I'm scared the whole thing.
You like it?
Hi, everybody. This is a cheeseburger in Chinese.
Cheeseburger bun.
And there's
It's a cheeseburger pod.
there's a cheeseburger puff. And it got some sitting in here. It got these kind of things, and it's so good. Yep. It's good.
guys, so you just got your food review from Mila about the cheeseburger pod here at Satuli, which is I think which is I think is a hidden gem here at Animal Kingdom.
Yeah,
definitely gotta come check it out.
That is the good coffee and we ever seen.
This is the Ube cold brew coffee.
Yeah, that's the A-Brew body. Everybody else, when it comes here, where we at?
Satuli Canteen.
Satuli Canteen.
In Pandora.
At Pandora. We're starting to go to, tonight we're having more rides and having so much fun. Yeah. If you want to come to us, then get the video. We will subscribe on you. Yeah. And then we will let you know we're ready for you.
So like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Navi River.
Navi River.
The Navi River.
Navi River.
See ya.
Three lions. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 lions.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're here. Where are we at?
At Disney World.
We're at Disney World. Today we're doing Hollywood. Got a full day. We're gonna do Hollywood, go to Epcot, and then Magic at the end. Hold on.
And hi everybody.
Okay.
Today our Hollywood. We got our own maps here. And you want to see what is inside. These are little kids' maps. And here, this is the entrance.
Alright.
You can go to Elsa or Flaky Dog or the shooting game or a Little Mermaid or Scary Ride. But anyone you want. Scary Ride?
On a scary ride?
Yeah.
What's it called?
It's called the Dragon. Do we go on there?
Yeah, sure. Where are we at?
Right here. Little kid. Yeah. Yeah. Grandpa right here.
You already did that one.
Did I do this one yet?
No, not yet.
I want to do that one. With sprinklers on it. Daddy, can I do that one, Mommy? Can I do the frozen one? Can I do that one, Mama? Can I do the frozen one?
Yeah. Yeah. want to say? You are what? Princess?
Kitty.
Kitty. What's your name, Princess?
Princess Kitty Myla.
Princess Kitty Myla. All right. Let's go with mommy.
Can I keep this?
Hold on. You ready?
Yeah. Free. Free. Yeah, I'm gonna look at myself.
Okay. Lonnie, come here. Say bye.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's just soda.
Let me see soda.
Here.
Let me
Hold it. Two hands. Don't shake it.
Hold on, Daddy. Let Daddy do that first.
Coca-Cola from Star Wars. They imported it, so we got to pay tariffs on these things. So that's why it's like $7 because of the tariffs from outer space. It's so refreshing. It's worth every penny. Hey, how'd you do? Sit down, turn around, turn around, turn around. Ready? This way, baby.
Daddy, guess how much I got. Guess how much I got.
What you got?
100,000.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I got 100,000. Because of me.
She did. Come on.
I got 100,000.
Lonnie, where you going? Woohoo!
It was making me faster and faster. Daddy was saying the word.
I don't know what she said.
What did you just say?
I always said the word. That was awesome. I want to go again.
Did she say I was a wussy?
What'd you say? Daddy was what?
Alright guys, so ending the night and the trip to the seas with Nemo and friends.
Hi everybody. Today, we are at, what do you want to say?
The seas with Nemo and friends.
We're at the sea with Nemo friends. What else?
That we're leaving. This is our last ride for the trip.
We're leaving, and this is the last ride for the trip. What else?
And that we'll be back next month.
Then we will be back in next month.
Alright.
And what else? Hey, come back!
And then we'll see them later.
We'll see you later.
Alright. See you guys.
See you guys, but can I keep looking at my face paint?
Hold on. We're doing a review on what? The summer house, right?
Yeah.
Summer house cookies.
Summer house cookies.
Okay.
Can we have it?
So now we're gonna compare it. Which one's better, Gideon's or summer house cookies? Yeah. Tell them what you got. Which one you got?
I got the pink frosting
That was Mommy's.
in the middle and with the crinkle. Hi everybody. Then I say the same one. I want the same one.
Alright, well you ready? Alright. Mila got the pinky,
The pinky.
right?
No, I wanted the pink frosting.
Yeah, that is it.
Where is that? I don't know.
That is the pink frosting. And Milani got the birthday cake. Alright, the birthday cake.
But can I show them mine first?
Here, sit down. See, your seat's all the way back here. Stand up. Stand up real quick. Stand up.
Why is it white?
Now you're not going to be in the video. Come here. Sit down.
That's your mama.
Alright, Mila got the pinky. Right?
Yeah.
You gotta take your first bite.
It's good.
What do you want to tell them?
It's good.
I got the peanut butter.
Ew. Now can you give me in a little bit?
Oh, right there.
Bloody, in my way. Get out.
Hey, you gotta be nice.
Don't do that.
Sit down. Sit down.
I can see.
When you sit down. What do you think?
Good.
What do you think? You like it? I like it too. I actually like Gideon's are like really thick. This isn't as thick, but it's I think as big as a Gideon's. But this is still moist and
That one
delicious.
may softer.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
With the sprinkles look good and it look normal and then hi everybody. This is a what again?
Pinky.
A pinky. And it's really normal and really good. And after you try it, it's good. Bye. Hey, come on. Mine.
Say birthday cake.
I gotta get come on.
Alright, you gotta sit down. And you have to sit down too. And then we also got the banana.
Cassie, I want to try it. I want to try it also. It's good. Can I try it? Oh, it's good. Can I hold out for you?
Yeah, hold on.
Me too.
Sit down. Take it out with you. You're going to have to sit.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you guys think of the summer house cookies?
Good. that? What's that?
You gotta do a thumbs up.
Yeah, like that. No. No.
She can do what you want. Alright. We'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Here we go. The ganachery.
You guys gonna take your bite at the same
Got the
time?
s'mores. Got the s'mores.
No, let's eat it.
All right, hold on.
I want to see. I want to see. Whoa, yummy.
Nyla, pick yours up.
All right, you guys ready? Let me know what you think. Ready?
Okay, just look it. Gonna pick yours up?
Pick yours up.
Can you pick it up, Daddy?
Ready?
Now let me hold it. Put it back in, please. Yeah.
What do you think?
Get it?
Yeah. Can I say the rest? Put it back in, please.
Hold on. All right.
Daddy, ooh, that's perfect. Don't bite anymore.
Okay. Hey guys, so we are heading back home on this 14.5-hour drive from escaping the blizzard of 2026. Right? What do you want to say? Say see you later? Okay. What do you want to say?
Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
Daddy.
Sorry.
I want to say, I love you, Daddy.
Okay.
And I want to draw, the water park and the map.
Uh-huh.
And like this one. And we go to the water park.
All right, we'll be back.
Okay.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.